AI never takes a break, and this week is absolutely mind-blowing. Real-time AI video generation is now possible, and it's completely open source. Watching it in action is truly next level. And if that's not enough, we now have not one, not two, but 3 new AI video generators released this week alone. That's just insane. On top of that, a new image generation platform has launched. It's totally free, unlimited, and lets you create as many AI images as you want. Google just released the new Veo3 model, which offers blazing fast video generation at a low cost, a major leap forward. Plus, there's a new video upscaler that takes quality to a whole new level, adding missing details and enhancing resolution like magic. And there's a lot more. So, let's dive right in. First up, this week, Krea launched its first self-trained image generation model, which not only has extensive knowledge of artistic styles, but also supports style reference through image uploads. It enhances realism, fine textures, and rich style expression. The model is currently in internal testing and is expected to be available to all users in 6 days. Krea 1 also supports model fine-tuning and can output images at 1.5K or upscale to 4K resolution. Krea also promises subscribers 10,000 image generation opportunities per month, with no restrictions. Next up, Google's video creative platform, Flow, has recently been updated, introducing the faster and more cost-effective Veo3 Fast model. It is understood that the Veo3 Fast model costs only 1/5 of the V3 model and generates videos faster. Based on actual tests, the video quality produced by the Veo3 Fast model has not significantly decreased. Currently, the Veo3 model has become a standard across major video platforms. Platforms like Hydra, Leonardo, Polo, and Freepik have already integrated this model. With support for voice generation, Veo3 is more suitable for creating creative street interviews and wildlife vlog videos. If you need dedicated video in this topic, how to create these type of vlog clips, let me know in the comments. Additionally, vlogs related to historical figures are becoming a new trend. These videos showcase a blend of reality and history by documenting classic historical moments in a vlog style, allowing viewers to preview the effect. Next up, we have an AI called self-forcing, a new training paradigm that enables real-time video generation without compromising quality. This introduced by the team from Adobe Research. Self-forcing is a novel way to train auto-regressive diffusion models. So, what's the magic behind it? The key, they say, is to simulate the actual inference process during training. This is done by unrolling transformers with KV caching, which helps bridge the gap between how the model learns and how it's actually used to generate video. The results are impressive. Self-forcing enables real-time streaming video generation. We're talking about generating high-quality 480p videos with an initial latency of around 0.8 seconds, and then streaming frames at approximately 10 to 16 frames per second on a single high-end GPU like an RTX 4090 or H100. And critically, this is achieved while matching the quality of state-of-the-art diffusion models. Compared to other methods, self-forcing is reportedly much faster, 150 to 400 times faster in terms of latency than some existing models, while delivering comparable or even superior visual quality and more natural motion. On this page, there are several impressive demos you can check out, and you can even see the real-time generation process, which is absolutely mind-blowing. And the good news is, if you scroll to the top of the page, you'll find that they've also released the code already. As I mentioned earlier, this is a new method, not a single model for video generation. It's designed to work alongside video generation models, and they've tested it with a new training method using WAN 2.1, currently one of the best open source models available. They also mentioned that it runs on a GPU with 24 gigabytes of VRAM, which means it can potentially run on high-end consumer-grade GPUs. If you want to download the model, it's available on Hugging Face. Just scroll down the page and you'll find complete instructions on how to install and run it locally on your computer. Next tool is also pretty cool. It's called Listen Hub. A podcast generator based on AI is simplifying the podcast creation process. For instance, Google Notebook LM can already generate ultra-realistic two-person dialogue podcasts. Using tools like Hydra, you can convert generated audio into lively digital human broadcast programs. But recently, this tool named Listen Hot was released. It addresses the issue of Notebook LM's inability to generate realistic multilingual speech. Check the link below the video to try it for free. Listen Hub supports topic-generated podcasts or converting web pages and local files into podcasts. Choose the default mode and enter prompts in the dialog box, where you can select 2 modes below to generate audio up to 10 minutes long. Upon receiving instructions, the system will perform a web search, generate a script, and convert it into a dialogue podcast. Click the settings button at the bottom left, where users can choose 2 announcers for the audio. If you need to generate other language, you can switch the language and corresponding announcers. You can choose a playback speed of up to double speed. Listen Hub supports converting web pages into podcasts. Taste any website address, and the system will automatically read the content and generate a podcast. Set the language to English, and it can automatically convert the language of web content into English podcasts, which is very convenient. Listen Hub also supports uploading PDF text format files locally. For example, we can upload any research paper and convert it into an audio podcast. Click the link below the video to try the Listen Hub tool for free. Next, Diffusion Studio Pro is a local video editing tool based on AI agents, integrating 16 mainstream models, and can automatically read videos and images, audio files, and complete material processing and automatic rough cuts. In other words, this tool can use AI agents to drive video editing software, bringing video editing into the automation era. Currently, Diffusion Studio Pro is still in internal testing, and you can click the link below to apply to join the early waiting list. Next, Dora Studio. This is a powerful text-to-motion tool that can turn ideas into professional animated charts. For example, by simply entering a short prompt, you can generate a net profit comparison chart of 5 companies. Dora Studio simplifies the process of creating animated charts without requiring any professional skills. Currently, this tool is still in internal testing, and interested individuals can apply to join the waiting list. Next, Pippit is a creative video generation platform launched by ByteDance, aiming to provide users with more efficient and intelligent content creation solutions using AI technology. Pippit integrates a wealth of functional modules, including digital humans, talking photos, poster, and marketing video generation tools. Pippit's main users are small and medium-sized cross-border e-commerce sellers. Click the link below the video to try it for free. Me users can get 1,800 points when they log in. Points are valid for 1 month. First, let me introduce the AI cell-making feature. Merchants only need to paste the product link and enter the prompt word. Then click the Generate button. Just wait a few seconds and Pippit will read the images and video materials on the web page. There are also the main selling points of the product and the type of target audience. Pippit also provides a variety of video templates. Below, you can select the digital human type, ratio, and video language. After the setup is complete, just click Generate Video. Wait a few seconds. Pippit will generate various types of short video ads to make the advertisement less boring. Also provides talking animals and a variety of templates for merchants to choose. Pippit offers dozens of popular languages, making it easy for sellers to promote their products worldwide. The Image Studio option provides professional poster templates. Simply upload product materials to generate professional posters with 1 click. Upload a product image and select a template, then click the Generate button. Sellers don't need to master any skills. They can use Pippit to create professional advertising posters. Click the link below the video to try all features for free. Next, as we know many image models and tools available, but they come with certain usage costs. For example, Midjourney requires a minimum monthly fee of $8 to use. Even Flux's newly released Flux Context model requires point recharges to use. If you don't want to pay, you can try the newly released GenTube tool, which supports unlimited free generation of images in various styles. The image generation speed is also very fast. First, click the link below the video, log in using your Google account or email, and click the settings button below. You can also choose from 5 common image ratios, such as generating landscape or portrait images as needed. Select the Gen Style option on the left and enter a prompt. Just switch the style icon, and the right side will generate images in the corresponding style in real time. Save the generated images locally and use them as materials. If you're not satisfied with the generated images, you can click the redraw button at the bottom right to create a new IMG. The GenBlocks feature on the right offers many tags which you can click. Besides portrait works, GenTube can also generate images in various styles and types with excellent result. After completing image generation, we can edit them through prompts. GenTube also offers gallery features, which you can try out. Next this week, OpenAI O3 Pro update. Recently, OpenAI officially launched the new generation model O3 Pro. It is now open to all ChatGPT Pro and API users. Compared to previous versions, O3 Pro has made significant improvements in several areas. In performance evaluations, O3 Pro's performance in key areas like science, education, programming, and data analysis is far ahead of the O3 model. To verify the model's stability, OpenAI used new evaluation standards. A model is considered reliable only if it answers correctly in 4 consecutive attempts to be deemed reliable. With the release of the O3 Pro model, the price of the O3 model will be significantly reduced by 80%, down to $8 per million output. Statistical analysis shows that the costs and prices of large language models are rapidly decreasing. Next up, this week, ByteDance released SeeDance 1.0 Pro, which is the SeeDream Video 3.0 Pro video generation model. SeeDance 1.0 Pro supports direct generation of 1080p resolution, high-definition quality. It has reached top-level understanding in prompt comprehension, image details, and consistency in physical representation. SeeDance 1.0 Pro can generate multiple shots in a single attempt. It ensures consistency in scenes and characters, which is a new breakthrough for video models. Currently, this model is live on the Dreamina platform and is only available to advanced users. The model is moderately priced, with top-level generation speed and output quality. You can try it on Dreamina, also in CapCut Dreamina platform. This week, ByteDance launched the SeedEdit 3.0 model based on SeeDream, further enhancing the ability to maintain image subjects and details, performing exceptionally well in portrait editing, background changes, and light conversion scenarios. This model can process and generate 4K ultra-clear images, finally editing specific areas while maintaining the structure of other regions. Compared to mainstream models like GPT-4o, SeedEdit 3.0 has a stronger ability to preserve non-editing areas. It also considers aesthetics. SeedEdit can be used in various image editing scenarios, including style transfer, object removal, and logo editing. It is reported that SeeDream 3.0's intelligent reference feature will be available to all users this week, for intelligent editing and one-click generation of graphics posters, so stay tuned. Next, Vivago 2.0. This week, Vivago launched their new 2.0 model. It can generate 1080p videos up to 10 seconds long. Vivago 2.0 has faster generation speed and supports keyframe functionality. The model offers free users a 3-day trial period and 400 points, which can be used by linking a card. Based on actual tests, the Vivago 2.0 model cannot yet compare to the top-tier Veo3 model. Its video generation capability is similar to models like Kling 1.6 and Pixverse. Next, Astra Video Enhancement. This week, Topaz Lab released its first video creative enhancement tool, Astra, which not only boosts video resolution to 4K, but also enhances video details and overall quality. This tool is built on the Topaz Starlight model, and it can transform low-quality videos into ultra-high-definition videos with superfine quality. As demonstrated by the videos provided by Topaz, Astra has powerful video enhancement capabilities, not only maintaining the main structure of the video, but also restoring missing details from the original video. This makes the visuals appear much clearer. From the comparison, it is evident that the video quality has significantly improved after Astra's optimization. Astra offers both a fine mode and a speed mode. Each mode focuses on detail enhancement and processing speed, respectively, allowing users to choose different modes based on their needs. Astra also supports frame interpolation, which can increase the frame rate to 120 FPS, further enhancing the motion visual effect. Currently, This tool is still in the testing phase. That's the end of today's show. Thank you all for your support and watching. Please like, subscribe, and leave comments. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. See you in the next episode, and as always, I will be on the lookout for the newest and coolest AI tools to share with you. So if you enjoyed this video, remember to like, share, subscribe, and stay tuned for more content.